This is called a taco roll, right? A matcha taco roll?
Mine is matcha bliss.
Matcha taco. I like these on top.
Pocky sticks.
Oh, not the pocky. I think the marshmallow. Alright, you're gonna have to eat it.
What do you mean I have to eat it?
Somebody has to do the review. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm doing like one-handed. Mm. 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 It's pretty good. Kinda good. Mm. Tastes like chips or something. Ooh, ooh. The author must be into Vietnamese coffee. You put this on the menu. I mean, the owner has some cream on top, crunchy, and the cream is, I mean, the ice cream is Vietnamese coffee. Mm. Oh, damn, tastes pretty good. Me like it. I like it. Mm. So this ice cream is very crunchy, and it tastes like coffee. And it has a cream on the top here. You can try to dip it in. Mm. 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 It's like kind of like a taco ice cream. Real good. Okay, I got ice cream from Sweet Roll Taco in Cali. But now I'm trying out the matcha ice cream. Mm. Tastes like matcha. Since I like the marshmallow here, taste it with the marshmallow. Mm. 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 Has a crunchy, like not crunchy, a smooth, chewy flavor with matcha flavor. Really go well with the tongue and swirl all over your tongue and mouth. Mm. 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 Really good. Has a ice cold matcha flavor.